Yes, today we have to start chapter 3, business environment. The meaning of business environment. Business environment refers to all those factors, forces, individuals, institutions, firms, group of persons. All these factors, they affect the business transactions. Either they affect directly or indirectly. In any way, these factors affect the business transactions. This is the meaning of business environment. Simply we can say the business environment is the surroundings. Business environment is the surroundings in which our business runs or exists. Environment scanning, it means getting complete knowledge and proper understanding about the business environment is called environment scanning. Now we have to look features, characteristics and natures of business environment. The main features of business environments are all the external forces. Business environment includes all the forces, factors, institutions which are externally affect the business organization, जो बाहर से हमारे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अफेक्ट करते हैं. मीन्स दे आर आउटसाइड टू आवर बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, ये हमारे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से बाहर हैं. सेकेंड इज स्पेसिफिक एंड जनरल फोर्सेस. Business environment includes two types of forces, that is specific forces and general forces. Specific forces like investors, suppliers, customers, they directly and immediately affect our business enterprises in their day-to-day working. I told you there are two forces. First is specific forces. Specific forces included supplier, investors, customers, and these specific forces directly and immediately affect our business transactions in our day-to-day workings. And second is general forces. It includes social, political, legal, technological conditions. All these forces have effect on all the enterprises, and they affect individually, firms only indirectly. और ये केवल फर्म को इनडायरेक्ट वे में इंडिविजुअली जो है अफेक्ट करते हैं. तीसरा है इंटर रिलेशन. ऑल द फोर्सेस, either general forces or specific forces, both are interrelated to each other. For examples, with inclination of youth towards Western cultures, we are finding it in the markets. There are so many youngsters, they are attracting towards the Western culture and they are adopting the Western culture. Next is uncertainty. It is very difficult for the business enterprises to tell about the futures, that what changes are going to be happen in business environment, because business environment is changing very fastly. Second is next, dynamic. Business environment is highly flexible and it always keeps changing. It is not rigid, it is not static, it is always changing. That's why it has become essential for the businessman to monitor and scan the business environment continuously. Next point is complex. It is very difficult to understand for the businessman that what are the impact or effect of business environment on their companies, on their firms, on their organizations. Last point is relativity. Business environment varies करता है from one country to another country, from one region to another regions, as political conditions, cultures and other factors are different in different countries. Business environment is different from one country to another country. It is also different from one region to another regions, because it depends on that country's regions, political conditions and cultures, because other countries' political conditions and cultures are different from other countries. For examples, there may be more demand for sarees in India as compared to USA or UK, but the same conditions in the environment may have different effect on different enterprises. Second examples, like when consumer organization found pesticides in cold drink, it came as negative effect for cold drink industry, but it was an opportunity for juice industry. कोल्ड इंडस्ट्री में, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स में ये कंज्यूमर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने क्लेम किया कि उसमें पेस्टिसाइड पाया गया। बाद में इसको कोर्ट से और कंपनी के ऑफिशियल ने इसको क्लीन चिट दिया, लेकिन कोल्ड ड्रिंक इंडस्ट्री के लिए जो बिज़नेस का एनवायरनमेंट था वो अनफेवरेबल हो गया, नेगेटिव हो गया। आज लोग ये इट इज़ द मैटर ऑफ पेप्सी एंड कोला, पेप्सी कोला कंपनी की बात की जा रही है। आज आप देखेंगे मार्केट में पेप्सी कोला की डिमांड नहीं है, क्योंकि इनका एनवायरनमेंट इस प्रकार के, चाहे आप रूमर कह लीजिए या इस प्रकार के क्लेम से कि पेस्टिसाइड्स हैं इनके ड्रिंक्स में, इनका जो मार्केट है बिजनेस का वो काफ़ी अफेक्टेड हुआ। लेकिन हाँ, इतना ज़रूर है कि जूट इंडस्ट्री के लिए, जूट नहीं जूस इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गया कि कोल्ड ड्रिंक के स्थान पर हम जूस इंडस्ट्री को स्टार्ट करें या उसको सेटअप करें।